Hello people, today I wanted to talk about the texture editor in Softimage application. Because the thing is, when you work with this application, it creates like texture coordinates. Sometimes this is being duplicated. I discovered that you have to use separate textures to work inside this application. For example, this object, which belongs to the car, has different projection. But actually, this is valid projection. Because if you switch to unfold one, this has nothing to do with our projection. Oh, I can unfortunately see where is mistake. You can see this is the issue of the program. But to fix that problem, you can always rename unfold. I believe this is to do with second texture projection. I have to double check. We only have current projection. This is our texture. If you go to option edit, you can see some other advanced options here. I also have to check this second material. I think I should select this to see everything. I will call this unwrap 01. Can someone tell me what this option is to do with? Because I couldn't find out from documentation or YouTube. If you go to clusters, you can see. Wait a minute, why I don't see this? Okay. This should be visible here. Okay. Because if you have separate texture, in projection will apply different projection, because this application makes duplicates of texture projection, because sometimes when you try to scale texture in viewport, in a texture editor, you cannot see what is going on in real time in the viewport. This is because you have more than one projection, and if you go to selection and you have more than one unfold operator. Okay, I will show you how does this thing work. I will have to copy material, and I will use R2 texture, new from file. I must use the different texture, maybe the green one. I will show you, because this will have different projection, this texture. Because I really was struggling using this application, and after that I will be able to show you how to cut texture. I think I already selected, and I can assign. So we have a separate texture, and I will use new unfold. What I will do, people, I will select edge, and because it is important, if you work with Blender, Blender has option mark seams. In Softimage, this works different. It works similar, but it has options here. I think I will have to switch. Now you have to switch from different to different projection. I believe to that one. And my dogs started to play. Now we will use our option add to cart line. Select. Yeah, no, they all already selected section current edges and polygon back. Oh yes, we have already used this option. Wait a minute, why this doesn't work properly? Maybe because, wait a minute, this should be working. I wonder what I done wrong, because I thought I was able to use a separate texture. It's not a good idea when I delete all the texture projection. What about this option? Update? Maybe I should use this option instead. Oh, actually, no, because I was thinking, because after duplication, I thought I would be able to use different projection. I don't know, I will have to double check. Maybe I should update, because I didn't update texture projection. I mean this, because I want to only unwrap this texture. Maybe I should use unfold and back. I always struggle with this program. Okay, section current edges, unfold and back. You can see this probably. Okay, wait a minute. I will have to probably, this is the last one, and I will probably have to rename. I don't know if I will be able to rename. Okay, let's check this option, because I think no, this is not. Oh, I should search for the green one. Where is green texture? Why is it not? Okay, let's check this. Okay, I will use this option. I will copy name of the map and unwrap 02. This is a big problem when I work with this application, because I always struggle. But now I will have to do. Okay, let's check. Why nothing happens? Okay, I will delete this. What we got here? What we got here? Okay, I will get rid of this and this, and I will only leave. Oh no! Stupid program. I always struggle with this stupid program. I thought I already know how to texture. Okay. I wonder, people, if I can still apply different texture commands of the image. Why are we doing this? I thought I already know how to texture. Because I thought I can apply different projection. Skill big program. In Blender, when you texture object, you can easily... Oh no, I will have to do... Okay, never mind. I will do from the beginning, and I will use another unfold. No, because I don't have time, I have to go to the gym. I don't know, the computer programmer made a huge mistake writing down this application, because in Blender I hadn't had that stupid issue. The line cut. I don't know if I can have two different textures, if I can use just one projection. The line cut. I have to quickly do this. Oh no. I wish I had vector tools to select. Because in Blender it's a lot easier. I know exactly what I'm doing, but I want to select polygon to show you what edges will be used. The two line cut, set from current edges, unfold and path. I think I should switch to that one. And this is our second projection. I have to delete fast, and I will focus on this one. Oh my goodness! Oh no! I can't remember which one this was. I will have to check. Because I still struggle with this stupid program. Oh no. Because the thing is, you cannot see in viewport when you have more than one projection. That's what makes it difficult. Okay, that means I will have to delete second projection. Oh, this is our main projection. This is what I don't like about... That is what I don't like about project. Oh, we can see our patches. Sorry people, I have to focus. When you select middle mouse and right mouse, you can stretch texture by going upward. When you use your mouse and you hold the middle mouse button and you go forward and you go into right, and you can scale texture. Also, I forgot to mention, I got patches to show you, because you can select islands. What we got? This is what I have to focus on. Oh, I can remove 3D viewport. Alt in the middle mouse button. I have to check people something. Okay. Wait a minute, because I want to select only island. I want to select only islands. No connectivity. Okay, I have to check something. Now this is not updating. What this texture is, because I will have to check something. Oh no, I cannot exactly see, but when you select everything else, you can see in viewport, because we use the one of the projections, but the issue is this program is creating duplicates. Also, you have to remember to delete history. a new texture in this application. The issue is we have one unfold operator which I have to rename. I don't know if this is possible to do that. I wish I could change the name of the operator, because if you have more than one operator, it will not see any changes in the viewport when you work with multiple textures. Or we also have clusters. You can see history. I don't know if I should remove this or not. I have to check what happens. I think nothing happens, but I will have to check, because you cannot exactly see. Because this program works different than in Blender. You can also use projections like Planner. Don't worry, you can still texture like in Blender. Okay, I will have to check something. But keep in mind that you must delete history, and this will disappear. But we only have one texture coordinate. This is what I don't really like about this application when I work. Also, I have to check model of the car. I like this option. Please really think what you do when you work with this application. You unwrap. And I will have to check something. We will have to check if we can still update this. That one seems to be working okay. Sometimes it's a lot easier for me to use a texture projection, but because it is sometimes quicker to use a normal texture projection. Oh, we can see some changes on the top of the roof of the car. But please make sure you don't have more than one texture projection. This is so-called that one. And also I will have to check, because I got a copy of the material. And I don't know what to do in this case, because for new people, this program can be confusing. Okay, to speed things up, we can use a different projection. If you don't have time, you can quickly texture. This is only when you don't have time. You can use like UV map in 3ds Max. So you can see we got a car which has been unwrapped probably. Clusters. Nothing came up new. But check. If you only have one operator and one texture coordinate. You can still delete it, but only if you have copy of this. You can also rename, so you will not get lost. In clusters, you will see name of your texture projection, so you will not be confused when you work with more than one projection. I was very annoyed at first, at the beginning, when I worked with this application. Because things work different than in 3ds Max, and you can click on that and this will come up. But you should really select edges when this window comes up. Select from current edges. Okay. Nothing happens because I will have to remove this, and this came up. That is the big thing what you have to consider when you unwrap, because new texture projection comes up in place of old texture projection. I hope you like my video tutorial. I tried to explain the best possible way how to work with texture projection. I forgot to mention something. To avoid black patches when you render model, you go to text, you click double times on image, you go to edit, you select this. This is important, so you will avoid black patches when you render a final project. I know it can be confusing, that program. Oh, I can do nothing here. I guess now this option seems to be inactive. But we also got this. I will have to go to the gym, people, so I will quickly upload the updated video tutorial. I'm still using this because I could import Cycles render engine based on Blender 3.5 because this has unsupported development. You also have like look score render when you go to render manager, because I installed look score render, which I didn't use, but I'm using this one. Mental Ray is too slow and I don't use it. Cycles render is the best, and I want to show you a couple of my renders because I'm working. I try to create a model of the Suzuki car. Before I finish my video tutorial, I will show you a project of the tire. Oh, this is my final render. I have the too quick. Couple of my clean renders. Sorry, ACDC doesn't show as good as possible. Oh, you can see very clean renders. I use the graphics card because when you install add-on Cycles, I will show you. This will support graphics card, and I will show you. You also have open image denoise. I hope you like my video tutorial and last render. I use the PBR shaders, Blender Mega materials. You can import from Blender. Some of the renders I have not finished. I still try to finish model of the car, but this may take some time because I work and I go to the gym at the same time. See you people, bye.